Synthesia AI tutorial, how to use Synthesia. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use Synthesia. So let's get into it. First things first, we're going to sign up. Since it's free, there is a monthly plan, but we'll skip that. Next, over here, just add in the text you want to generate, like this one right here. You can go with the sales pitch or compliment, depends on you. Let's go with the sales pitch. And over here, you're going to add in your script in any language, which is one of the great things about Synthesia. And then just simply click on generate a free AI video and then just simply fill out this form. How did you hear it? I from a friend, and then just simply click on generate video. Boom. After a couple of seconds, our video should be ready. Now, the reason why it took so quickly was since this is a demo. Once you create an account, log in, you can actually start using it. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use. So now if we just simply play this video, you can hear how good it sounds.
Hey John, Evelyn from Acme here. As promised, I am sending you a brief summary.
Now, it does sound pretty good, but it's not that good. So we're going to go ahead and create an account, log in, and we're going to make it even better because once we've created an account, it's going to give us. But again, as you can see, the prices are over here. You can go ahead and create an account and start editing it out. I have used it in the past, but I had to end it because it was no longer my need. And I can say that the paid version is much, much better. It gives you tons and tons of options, tons and different of voice actors, a lot of different avatars, and a lot of different options as well. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. So that is it. That is how you use it. That is how you use Synthesia. So thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.